What is going on, guys? J243 here, and in this video I'm going to be pretty much clear coating my headlights. I'm going to be polishing them a little bit and clearing them up. Over the past year that I've owned this car, my headlights have really started to oxidize, and my friend came up with a solution that we'll just kind of use solution compound and you know, pretty much polish it and clear coat it up. I decided to record the process. It is kind of a little, like, you know, scattered here and there. And this is the cheap way to clear up your headlights so that you're not buying new lenses and so that you're not buying a whole headlight unit itself, because headlight units are really expensive and sometimes even the lenses are expensive. Like, I think a lens is maybe like 70 to 80 bucks. So this is probably like the cheapest way to get your headlights, you know, unyellowed and to make them clear again. So you're just kind of cleaning it off a little bit?
Yeah. Yeah, this one has some overspray as well. I can feel it.
Some overspray of the clear coat?
Oh no, or the clear coat is peeling off. See
Yeah,
right here?
it's like ripple, right?
Yeah.
I do feel that. So now you're just kind of taping it up.
Sir. Mine.
Yeah, I got you.
You're gonna have to.
I got you.
Okay.
So now you're just putting some of that cleaner on.
Yep. Buffing away by hand.
So what he's using, like sand grit, but on
a sponge.
On a sponge. And he's using a McGuire product. I'll show it real quick. He's using some of this stuff right here. Cleaning solution, McGuire's, for headlights. How much would you say this was?
Like 30 bucks.
30 bucks.
When people were charging $80.
$80 is crazy.
$80 or 120. I called a lot of spots to see if they could do the headlight restoration. And I was getting 80, getting 120. I mean, I get it, you don't have to deal with doing all this, you know, you're paying for the labor.
Yeah. So now after putting the cleaning solution on, now he's just gonna wipe it off with a rag. You can see it's getting a little hazy.
That's what we want.
That's what we want.
You can see here. Now you can start seeing more imperfections.
Right, like the spots you gotta hit again.
So we're gonna have to hit that again.
There we go. The spot right there. So that was the second coat of cleaning solution, right?
This is the third, actually.
Oh, the third coat.
Yeah. So this one has, you could see a couple spots after I cleaned it.
Right.
Like you see here. Like I already got this out. Now this spot, I need to hit it. So you see a little bit.
Yeah, it almost looks like a little design.
Yeah. Scrub.
Two coats of clear coat.
Yep.
And then in the process,
this one's still prep, but we're getting there.
All right, so now that we have the third coat of the McGuire's product on, we're just wiping it off. This rag.
Yep.
Getting like flashbacks from the shop where they're the same color. Always looking for Costco towels.
Yeah. Kirkland signature. When we were sanding, we ripped the newspaper a little bit.
Oh, okay. Little boo-boo.
Make sure everything is covered.
For a clear
Take your
coat.
time, yeah. You see?
Yeah, it's still there a little bit.
It's still there.
So he's wiping it with alcohol again. We're gonna see where we're at with this one. So now after hitting it with alcohol, after the McGuire product, he's using a towel to wipe it down and get that hazing effect. Always hit some clear coat.
Very light. First light coat. See, it's already gone.
Yeah, right? So this is where we're at right now. Now we're just sitting down and we're waiting for it to dry out. We have 5-minute timer intervals. This side already has 2 coats. This one has its light first one, and this one's gonna get a second one pretty soon. Timer just went off. It's time for the next coat on the left side. This one's gonna be a heavier coat. Alright, third coat.
Ready? Third and final. There we are.
We're hitting it again because a fly got caught up in it. Manny's TC. This is the work that he's done. I'll put a little before and after, but see what he's got going on. Ooh! Should look nice. RS 4.0. Oh yeah. This is a release series, RS 4.0. You see it in the seats. Oh yeah. Look at this. Dude, your heat shield isn't like rusted out. We go to the back. Take the camera, show it. What number are you?
1894.
That's amazing. Clear purposes. Go ahead, turn them on. Oh! Switch them to blue. The little daytime running lights. Oh yeah, that looks way better. We just pulled it out. Headlights look amazing. Look at that. They almost look brand new. Almost look brand new. All right, so that was pretty much the process. Like I said, it was a little bit scrambled, but you can see that my headlights, you know, they kind of cleared up really nice, especially the left side. The right side, that was always kind of the bad child. That was always, you know, a little bit yellow than the other one. And it did clean up, just not as well as the left side. But anyway, that was the cheap way to clear up your headlights without replacing the headlamps or replacing the actual lenses themselves. If you did enjoy the video, or if this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.